In this video, I will be talking about how to write a cover letter. So before we go into detail, I would like to say about cover letter. Cover letter is a letter in which we just give a small description of our results and our research and experiment. So what we usually need uh, whenever we are going to submit a manuscript, we need to submit a small letter which is called cover letter accompanied with your real manuscript. So whenever we have to submit any manuscript in any journal, we have to send a cover letter accompanied with our manuscript. So there are 5 important parts of cover letters. So we will discuss one by one. So let's begin. The first part is salutations. In salutation, what we need first, we need to write date, then we need to write like dear editor. So we should start with like that. Please consider our manuscript entitled here. Within inverted commas, we can write the title of our article or manuscript which we are going to publish. Like in this case, we are going to publish this article in the Journal of International Journal of Molecular Sciences. This of our article is already published. I am just using this for as example. So in this, like transcriptome and proteome profiling of different colored rice reveals physiological dynamics involved in the flavonide pathway. For peer review and consideration for publication as an original article. Here you need to mention that it is whether an article or review or short communication. Here you need to mention, and here you need to write the name of journal in which you are going to submit. So this was the first part. If we talk about the second part, this is the second part in which we give little information and little importance of your study, that why your study is important and why you think that this study was useful for scientists and why you have studied this experiment. So you just need to write about 4 to 5 lines about the importance of your study. So first, what you need to just give few lines about the importance of your research, like in this. And in the next few lines, you can tell what was unclear, like in this example, the molecular pathway and the mechanism underlying the flavinate biosynthetic pathways were unclear. So therefore, we studied to aim to gain the insights into the physiological factor involved in the flavinide biosynthetic pathway in red, black, and white rice cultivars. So these 5 lines are of importance, which are the second part of our cover letter. So this is the third part. Third part is just similar to summary of the article or the manuscript. You can say it is just similar like to abstract, but not exactly abstract. You can write most of the data which you have mentioned in abstract, but remember it should not be exactly as like abstract, but most of the things about 80 to 90% are same. So just few lines about results and 1 line about what it causes, this work, why you did, and how it would be useful for futures. So this was the third part, which is exactly similar to abstract. And this is the fourth part. This fourth part is very important. We have to say that we affirm that this manuscript is original. It has not been published elsewhere, nor it is currently under consideration by another journal or any other publisher. As the corresponding author, I can confirm that submission has been approved by all authors. So these lines are must should be written because the even scientific ethics demand this, that if you want to submit any article in journal, that article should not be under review or under consideration in any other journal, because one manuscript should be submitted to only one journal at one time. So this is the last part. Here you need to give you the information of corresponding author, like name, your institute, and your university address and email. That's all. Hope so. These five parts, if you will write these five parts, editor will know that what you want to submit in that article. So hope so you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any problem while writing any type of cover letter, please say me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.